All hey Biafra, IPOB, one family, IPOB. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, brothers and sisters, wherever you are. It's me, Kizito Njoku. I've come back again to give you this short message. That is why we are here. We are fighting for our independence. My media is always talking about independence, both Africa, both Biafra, both every country in the world. So guys, I want to break this thing down. We have a short message. We have to spread it here because tomorrow, being Tuesday, 10th of this September, our indigenous people, the leader, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, is going to Brussels because the parliament have called him to express what we are passing through and what he's talking about. It's not that the Europeans, they don't know what we are passing through or what we are talking about. They know everything, but they called him and he's going there to express his feelings tomorrow. So for those who say that our leader is not try enough, he doesn't do anything, he's a very stupid man, he's fighting for his own pocket, he's fighting for his own benefit, I don't think that if it is you can take this cross. This young man have tried a lot. That is why I'm following him. And we will follow him until we get our freedom. Because every human being living this earth needs freedom. Tomorrow, Tuesday, September 10th, 2019, our leader coming to Brussels, live and direct. So those are dragging, those have been doing arguments. Please, our leader said that everybody come. Both those in Africa who have the ability, who have the opportunity to come, those who have free visa, who have tickets, let you guys and come and see what this guy is saying, whether it's fake or it's real. Because the way we take something in Africa is not the way we take something in Europe here. Because the parliament, the UN parliament is in Brussels, in Belgium. So I'm really happy how our leader is going there for you to know that we are moving forward and we are fighting this fight seriously. Small time, and I know that after Nnamdi Kanu go for this parliament, a lot of things will change. Yes, and our referendum is about to come. So guys, all Biafrans, please don't backsliding. Keep on fighting for this world. This world made me and you. We're truthful. We are not fighting with ammunition. We are not fighting with hypocrisy. We are not fighting with gossiping. We are saying the truth, common truth. Because truth shall make you to be free. So, for those who doesn't hear my language, that is why I just put it in English so that everybody will hear what I'm saying. Tomorrow, Nnamdi Kanu na-aga, bu echile, Nnamdi Kanu na-aga na Brussels, obodo na-akpọ Brussels, all the community, the parliament of European. Ọ na-aga nga jeza ndị ọkachukwu, ọ jeza ha jeza maka aga ha ji ajụjụ echila na ọ ga-akọwara ha otu Biafra si bido and otu Biafra si agabiga, ihe niile na-agabiga na mmegbu niile na-emegbu anyị. Na ndị osi agụgụ unu bajiri na anyị n'olere gaa zụta tiketi gị, onye ọbụla jide tiketi ebiwa echi bịa bajiri anyị ya hụrụ. And ama na ndat na Nnamdi Kanu kwuche ihe a Echile, Jubril will not travel again. I know whenever Nnamdi Kanu express himself tomorrow, Jubril, that man, if it is my leader, he said that thing is there. Call Buhari. It's not Buhari. It's an impostor. Yes. Him already said it. If he lying, you guys have to come and expose the truth. Because if Nnamdi Kanu cannot lie. Because if he lie, make you guys come and challenge him. He said that if that man is there called Jubril is not a Buhari, if it is a Buhari, he will stop agitation of Biafra. So I don't. When somebody says this such word, it's left for you. I be argue. Come and confront him to prove him wrong. To say that truly is a Buhari, so that the world know that whether it's in Buhari or impostor. Yes. Even if Aisha Buhari is not happy. Forget, Nigerian people, they are doing this thing to cover up. Even Yusuf, his son, is a very stupid guy. Because when somebody said that this person is not your father, you, if you really say that it is your father, come and speak a word. Let the world hear your voice. Because there is something fishing on, but people doesn't know. So therefore, we are happy. Nnamdi Kanu will speak tomorrow in Brussels by 4 to 6. Nelekra no nke hiye ruo nelekra isi nke biko ụmụnne ụmụnna unu gbata na aka bịa na ba jiri ne ntị unu nọrọ ndị na-enwe ha ability to bịala ndị na-aga abịanwuni unu turn n'ala gee Radio Biafra and see how our leader will expose all injustice is going on in that country called Zoo. We are tired. Our people be every day dying. We're dying outside Nigeria. We come in our home, we die. We don't have no place to stay. We don't have no place to relax and rest. And how can we be treating like this? Our people die in South Africa. Nobody wants to talk for us. Is that kind of country we need? No. We need country. If they fight for you, your government will fight for you. They will speak on behalf of you. We don't need country. We are dying. Nobody can speak for us. We don't have school. We don't have electricity. We don't have hospital. We don't have good road. It's not the money. It's not there. We need freedom. Only Biafra can save Africa. We are not boasting. Only Biafra can save Africa. Because there's no Africa where they say truth. South Africa, we see that is a little bit slaverized country in Africa now. They are going down. See black and killing black. If you go in Angola, we are killed. We go in Asia, we are killed. We go in China, we are killed. Even if we are dying in Europe. We die in the sea, we die in the desert. What is going on? Who are we offended? Please, tomorrow, everybody, whether you be Yoruba, you be Hausa, you are doubting, come in Brussels and use your ear and your eyes and witness. Because ndeba anye, oge, orule no mume. Because I question elu na ogo once for a while. Oga na alụkwa na awere ogo, ka anyị megide nwanne, ọbụrụ ọgụ mma ọbụrụ ọgụ egbe. Ọgụ eziokwu na agba ihe ka ọnwa, ya ka anyị chọrọ ịlụ. Biko nu pụta na echi, pụta na n'igwe, ka anyị lụọ na agha. Ka ọ bara onye iru bara onye azụ. We are tired to be killed. We are tired looking our mother to be raped. We are tired to see our pregnancy women, they are killing them, cutting their stomach, bring the child and kill. We are tired for this. May God help us. This country called Nigeria, we are not supposed to be in Nigeria. We are tired. A nation will say you are in Nigeria, you're proud of being in Nigeria. By the end of the day, something happened to you, you will never be protected. It's not a country. Biko, umunne no munna. Martin Nandekalo, Onobalano Hoko Shrani, Obalambo Toko Shrebanimbo. This young man have suffered a lot for me and you, for we to be free. Please, tomorrow, let's come in Brussels. Those who doesn't have the power to come, then when he kibia, Biko, uno turn internal again in Radio Biafra and see what is going to be. And I know that after Nandekalo will make this speech in Brussels, I know Jubril will not travel again. Because he will say that everywhere we see him, we arrest him. Yes. Because it's not Buhari. If Buhari is alive, Buhari will speak Fufude. He will speak in typical language. If you see a woman like me say that I should speak my language, I can't speak it. What an injustice. So we have to clarify this truth. May God bless you. Keep on watching. We are traveling everywhere. According to the order our Supreme Leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Yesterday, 2 days ago, we went Reggio Emilia, where Italy do yam festival. We are not here to eat yam. Undena region na ali Igbo or any region obodo Igbo. But it's normal for we to celebrate as we celebrate in home. But let us realizing that ane Englishin kuwe boaru dilajo. Anyaga hapu. Eba na chose na aga eba na arago. So I question me we went to Reggio Emilia because of what our leader, the instruction he give to us. Na anyị gara ka anyị ga mara ndị ụmụnne anyị ndị nọchitewa anya anyị n'ala Igbo. Sị ha anyị nọchitewa anya anyị, anya na-anwụ, anyị sị ka anyị jaifu ha jụọ ha ajụjụ. And ma ajụọ ha ajụjụ ma ha sataghị ya, akị ha aka obu n'isi. Yes. Mee ha akaja, but anyị ga-egbu ha ụmụnne anyị. But ọ ka anyị mee ka ha mara that ihe ha anaghị eme n'ụlọ. Ihe ịma eburu ozi onye ọzọ dịka ebu nkụ. Ka ihe ha na-eme ụmụnne anyị ka ha ji anya ha wee hụ ya, and hime karịa ebe ọbụla nwere akụgbu ohi emecheme ụmụ ha n'obodo a. The time have reached, but Chineke kene dịrị ya abịaghị ihe dadị ha gara ha hụ gara emeni ike kwere mmadụ ọwọ nke echiri, but onye ọzọ a ga-enweta a ga-eme ya ịwa ọ ga-ada ajị na ndụ. So ụmụnne m ya dịrị unu mma. Keep on watching, share my YouTube, subscribe it, share it. I'm not here to make money. Share it. We are preaching the gospel. The gospel is not matter when you go in an altar to preach. Share it. We are speaking something can benefit me and you. Give us life. We need life. We need electricity. We need good education. We need a good hospital. We need light. We need road. We need nice investment. We need our youth to be employed. We stop to be traveling. We are tired. For those who are here, we are tired. No place like home. May God bless you. Keep on sharing and like it and subscribe. Put your comment below. Thank you. Keep on watching. May God bless you. Tomorrow, Tuesday, 10th of 9 months, that is why we are going to Brussels. Go and use your ear and to listen. Stop calling Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu is not a fool. Go and listen to him and see this young man, what he said is true or not, or he wanted to be discriminate Nigeria. He's not here to discriminate Nigeria, but he's speaking for his own behalf of his own people. He's the one who have the ability to speak for us. Our people staying in Nigerian posts, they don't speak for us. So we can never stop to follow this young man. May God bless you.